ko. If we had anything in Yapo, like I said, we would confront it right away. We weren't trying to become, we were truly just trying to become as one. Because we were living in a house together. Iba po talaga when you start to live together. You're eating with these people, you're toothbrushing at night with these people, so you really want to solve whatever's happening in that house.
Totoo.
Wala pa talaga. Isang bonus question na
He knows me the best po kasi he knows whatever was happening inside wasn't truly what was going on. And I appreciate him for stepping up because that takes a lot of guts po talaga to speak up in front of people. And I thank them. I thank them so many times. Every day umiyak ako sa kanya. I love that guy. I love that guy. Alam niyo din po yan. People have misconceptions also about our friendship because of how deep it is. But that's why it's so good. Because it's
Yes mo na.
pinaka-namimiss ko si Charlie. Number one ko po talaga si Charlie. She was my first duo. And also, parang first sa mga kapuso na naging close po ako. And she has so much growth that she can do. And she's also so smart. And what happened during that first week, di ko alam kung nakita niyo po, may nangyari po kasi. And I never wanted her to doubt herself. And I could see myself.
Is it about the fried chicken na nahulog?
Hindi po.
Meron pang iba pa?
Hindi po yung pinagsabihan po ni Ate Ivana si Charlie.
O, parang yun atay.
16. There's so much growth in her po talaga. There's so much she needs to learn pa. And I just wanted to be her ate. Because it's been a while since I've been an ate. So I wanted to be her.
Napanood ko yan, yung sa room with Kira.
Yes,
At sa, parang ikaw yung nag-a-advise sa kanya. Ay, nagpamakaate ka na, dati ikaw yung bagets.
Yes! Oh! I'm starting to feel old na.
Ayan, thank you for answering. Next question, outside world. What can we and your fans expect from you?
Growth. On a personal level, now you guys know me as a human being na nagkakamali din po ako, na I'm not perfect, na may mga times na I will accidentally say things that I don't have the intention of it being in a bad way. But know that I'm trying to be better and I'm really taking in all of your concerns and comments about me. But yeah, that's all I can do from now on. Just know that I'm listening. I'm listening to you guys.
Totoo. Ay,
Yan, tagal nga po sa mata nating mga kapamilya at mata ng mga kapuso na laging, kumbaga, yung mga fans.
Parang may pagbabanggabang ng
Yes,
natin.
yes po. At para gawin nila po itong collaboration na to, para sa akin, mas naging peaceful, kumbaga, yung fans ng kapuso siya, kapamilya. At hindi mo na siya, it will no longer see it na parang competition.
Yes.
It's like family na talaga. Nasasabi ko sa season na ito, masaya sila lahat.
Nakakatutukan.
May mga clips
Clips
po,
na.
ganon. Hindi naman naging perfect kasi nobody's perfect naman. Lahat naman tayo may flaws, lahat naman tayo may mistakes. Pero syempre, hindi din naman yun yung magiging excuse natin to keep parang doing mistakes. Ako, like just help each other to be better. Kasi at the end of the day, we all gonna end up in the same place. So why not just choose kindness po as long as we're here pa. Guerra Japanese version, Indian version.
Oo. Ay, konting patikim lang sa mga nakamiss.
Yung upcoming album ko naman po ay collaborative din naman po yun sa mga songwriters ko from US. Kaya doon po magsisimula. So yun po.
Wow! Ang taray niyan. Kamusta yung sa pag-arte bukod sa Happy Crush sa Netflix? Ayan. Kailan ka ulit mapapanood? Teleserye, movie, ganyan. May mga ganun ba?
Sa ngayon po, DJ, yun pa lang po, yung upcoming ko pong mini-series sa Happy Crush, sa Netflix, which is yung Happy Crush on April 24. Gaya ng sinabi ko po, kahit nag-try na po ako ng music at iba't ibang field po, hindi pa rin naman po nag-close yung doors ko sa acting since doon po ako nagsimula po.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Tess!
Ano daw? your Star Magic and Spotlight family. May, ayan na. Pwede ka bang mag-wish muna before blowing the candle? Ayan. Wala to, no? Palakpakan po natin! Happy birthday, May! Message mo naman! Ayan.